Welcome back to the video, you guys. So today we are fishing on the Boone River. I'm in the water. I brought some water shoes, I guess. I mean, the shoes, but you can get them wet and it'll be fine. My dad just caught a largemouth on his first cast, which is amazing. It was pretty good size. We're gonna move up the river a little bit. Oh, something's biting my dad. Did you get it? Oh, he got a little one. Don't know how deep this is, but I might actually try on a jerkbait. There you go. So in order for me to move up the river a little quicker than I should, had to get onto the side because inside there's muddy as heck, and I gotta be really careful because it just rained. So tied on a jerkbait, white, because it's stained water. I'm gonna see how that goes. Just absolute gorgeous over here. There's slower moving water. Gorgeous.
Mine was
my dad just caught another cat. Is that a catfish?
Yep.
Oh my
Caught
goodness.
one in there. Give me the net. Give me the net.
Hunter, hurry, net. That's the big one that was right there. That was the big one that was right there.
Right there, right there. Whoa! No!
That was the big one that we've been casting. That was the big one that we've been casting. That was right there. I knew it.
Thank you.
Hot water?
Top water, yeah.
That was the
He
big
choked it.
That was the guy that was right there.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that was the guy that was right there. He was right there.
Woo! He's a big one.
That was the guy that kept biting and we didn't get it earlier. Ooh. That was the big one right there. Probably got your best one.
Wash him real quick.
Are you kidding me?
That was the guy that had been biting and we couldn't catch it.
Are you kidding me?
Let's go. Big bass.
You can catch me.
Big 18.
18.
Let's go. Yeah.
That was the one that we were trying to catch earlier.
Oh!
Okay, don't that one out.
Thank you for biting, dude. Get out of here. There he goes. Into the deep. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I think I'm gonna end it here. If you guys did, please smash that thumbs up button, comment down below, and please subscribe to see more content like this. See you guys on the next one.